Hello everyone, welcome back to. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic in our fast-paced world, the importance of staying tech-savvy. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone navigating daily life, understanding technology is key. Let's explore why. First, let's define what being tech-savvy means. It's not just about knowing how to use the latest smartphone. It's about understanding and adapting to new technologies that change the way we communicate, work, and live. Did you know that over 4.5 billion people use the internet worldwide? That's more than half the global population. This shows just how integrated technology is in our lives. Now, why should you care about being tech-savvy? For starters, in the job market, tech skills can make a huge difference. From basic computer knowledge to specialized software skills, these abilities can open doors to new career opportunities and advancements. And it's not just about work. Technology can significantly enhance your personal life. Think smart home devices, online learning platforms, and so much more. Plus, it helps us stay connected with friends and family, especially important in today's digital-first society. But what happens if you don't keep up with technology? Unfortunately, the gap can have real consequences. Professionally, it could mean missing out on job opportunities, or even struggling to maintain current roles. There's also a social aspect, feeling out of touch with what's happening around you, and even facing challenges in managing everyday tasks that have moved online. And let's not forget about security. Understanding the basics of digital security is crucial in protecting your personal information in a world where cyber threats are real and ever-present. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. Staying tech-savvy is all about continuous learning. You don't have to be an expert overnight. Start with online tutorials, follow tech blogs, or even take short courses online. Experiment with new apps and gadgets when you can. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to stay curious and open to learning. Looking ahead, the future of technology is incredibly exciting. From advancements in AI to the rise of the Internet of Things, we're heading towards a world where technology will be even more integrated into our daily lives. Staying updated not only prepares you for these changes, but also allows you to be part of shaping this future. In conclusion, being tech-savvy is no longer just an option. It's a necessity in today's digital age. Whether for personal growth or simply to stay connected and safe, understanding technology is fundamental. If you liked what you heard, hit the like button and subscribe.